Welcome to Best Productly. Ten Best Microwave New Model 2021. We are going to check out top 10 best microwave in current time. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion. And I try to list them best on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about this microwave, you can check out the link down in the description and comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Top 10. BLACK+DECKER M720CB7 Digital Microwave Oven with Turntable Push Button Door, Child Safety Lock, 700W, Stainless Steel, 0.7 Cu.ft. Pre-programmed buttons for popcorn, potato, pizza, frozen vegetable, beverage and dinner plate. 700 watts with 10 power settings, clock and kitchen timer, 30 seconds express cooking. Large LED digital display, easy to read control panel, child safety lock, interior light, removable 10 glass turntable. Push button door release for easy access. Dimensions, WXDXH, 17.3 x 13.0 x 10.2. UL approved. 1 year limited. Top 9. Amazon Basics Microwave, small, 0.7 cubic feet, 700W, works with Alexa. Now it's easier to defrost vegetables, make popcorn, cook potatoes, and reheat rice. With an Echo device, not included, quick cook voice presets and a simplified keypad let you just ask Alexa to start microwaving. Automatically reorder popcorn when you run low and save 10% on popcorn orders enabled by Amazon replenishment technology. Compact size saves counter space, plus 10 power levels, a kitchen timer, a child lock, and a turntable. Alexa is always getting smarter and adding new presets. External dimensions, with X height X depth, 17.3 inches x 10.1 inches x 14.1 inches. Internal dimensions, 10 and 7/8 inches x 6 and 7/8 inches x 10 inches. Turntable, diameter, 10 inches. Maximum popcorn bag size, 3 ounces. Top 8. Toshiba M925A5ASS Microwave Oven with Sound On-Off ECO Mode and LED lighting, 0.9 cubic feet per 900W, stainless steel. Stylish stainless steel with timeless design. External dimension, WDH, 19. 215. 911. 5 inches, internal dimension, WDH, 12. 3613. 668. 7 inches. Pre-programmed menu for 6 popular foods like popcorn, pizza, potato and more. Rated voltage is 120 V 60 Hz, one touch start, quick access to start the microwave from 1 to 6 minutes cooking at full power. Rated input power, microwave, 1350W. Equipped with power saving eco mode, sound on off option and child safety lock. 900 watts with 10 power settings, clock, and kitchen timer. Bright digital display, easy to read control panel, LED cavity light and 10.6-inch glass turntable. If you wish to mute the buzzer of the microwave, please long press on the button 8 for 3 to 5 seconds. The buzzer is automatically switched off after a long beep.
Check out the description for more information and latest price.
Top 7. Panasonic Microwave Oven NNSN966S Stainless Steel Countertop built-in with inverter technology and Genius sensor, 2.2 cubic foot, 1250W. Panasonic Microwave, this 1250 watt high power, 2.2 cubic foot capacity stainless steel countertop built-in microwave delivers a seamless stream of cooking power for even cooking and delicious flavor. Inverter technology with turbo defrost, patented inverter technology generates a seamless stream of power and delivers consistent, evenly prepared food without overcooking. Advanced inverter turbo defrost speeds up defrosting time. Large family size. This countertop microwave with 16.5-inch turntable is thinner, lighter and more efficient, allowing you to devote less space to electronics and more to interior capacity. Internal dimensions: HXWXD 10.94 inch x 18.44 inch x 18.50 inch. Outside dimension HXWXD inches 14 x 23.9 x 19.4. Smart cooking settings with Genius sensor. Built-in automatic Genius sensor adjusts power and times based on different foods. Other advantages include 14 preset menu items, quick minute timer, delay start and child safety lock, keep warm feature. This inverter microwave keeps soups, gravies or desserts warm and fresh until ready to serve. Top 6. Farberware Classic FM007AHTBKJ 0.7 cubic feet 700 watt microwave oven with LED lighting, brushed stainless steel. Quick and easy, you can prepare meals and snacks in a snap with this microwave that packs 700 watts of output power. Get a clear view. The LED display with kitchen timer and clock lets you keep track of time, while the Easy View interior LED lighting lets you keep an eye on cooking. Convenient. Conveniences such as defrost by weight or by time settings let you get dinner on the table even when you forget to pre-prep your food. Style and function. Stylish brushed stainless steel front and handle for a stylish, elegant look, and the child safety lock function provides an added level of security. Cook easy and powerful. It offers 10 power levels and multi-stage cooking to fully customize your cooking with 6 one-touch cooking programs. Make quick work of any cooking task. Speed cooking, 1 to 6 minutes. Express cooking and plus 30 seconds. Button offer simple press and go speed, while the memory function lets you store your most used customized settings. Top 5. COMFEE M720CPLPMB Countertop Microwave Oven with Sound On-Off, ECO Mode and Easy One-Touch Buttons, 0.7 Cu.ft, 700W, black. Stylish, black, stainless steel finish, compact size, 0.7 cubic foot capacity, 700 watts and 11 power levels, mute function, settings, clock, kitchen timer, child safety lock, easy auto cook functions, popcorn, potato, pizza, frozen veggie, beverage, reheat. One-touch express cooking function with 1 to 6 minutes and plus 30 seconds functions, and 2 defrost settings, by weight or by time. Energy-saving eco mode, minimizing 50% standby power by turning on ECO mode. Bright digital display, easy-to-read control panel, interior light and 12.4-inch glass turntable, 1-year limited warranty. Top 4. Panasonic Microwave Oven NNSN686S Stainless Steel Countertop built-in with inverter technology and Genius sensor, 1.2 cubic foot, 1200W. Panasonic Microwave. This 1200 watt high power, 1.2 cubic foot capacity stainless steel countertop built-in microwave delivers a seamless stream of cooking power for even cooking and delicious flavor. Inverter technology with turbo defrost. Patented inverter technology generates a seamless stream of power and delivers consistent, evenly prepared food without overcooking. Advanced inverter turbo defrost speeds up defrosting time. Compact design. This countertop microwave with 13.4-inch turntable is thinner, lighter and more efficient, allowing you to devote less space to electronics and more to interior capacity. Internal dimensions: HXWXD, 9 and 15/16 inch x 15 and 13/16 inch x 14 and 3/8 inch. Smart cooking settings with Genius sensor. Built-in automatic Genius sensor adjusts power and times based on different foods. Other advantages include 14 preset menu items, quick minute timer, delay start and child safety lock, keep warm feature. This inverter microwave keeps soups, gravies or desserts warm and fresh until ready to serve. Power source 120V/60 Hz. Power consumption 1480W. Top 3. Galanz GLCMKA07 GNR07 Retro Microwave Oven, 0.7 Cu.ft, Surf Green. 700W with 6 variable power level Galanz 0.7 Cu.ft, 700 watts microwave oven with lighting pull handle. Microwave oven offers 6 power level to cook. It is easy to defrost. Defrost and LED display for all your frozen foods. Defrost by time or weight so you can enjoy more flavorful foods. Easy to read LED display clearly shows remaining cooking time. And when the cooking procedure have finished, 3 beep sound will be heard. 360 rotating evenly heating 360 heating and rotation of glass turntable during operation helps cook food more evenly and then improves the cooking efficiency. So you will enjoy fresh and delicious food within a short time. Interior light and child lock. Interior light for checking the status without having to open the doors. The safety lock prevents unsupervised operation by children. Lock the control panel using the child safety lock option to prevent accidental use or access by children. Package includes 1x countertop microwave oven, 1x glass tray, 1x roller ring, 1x shaft, 1x power cord. Top 2. BLACK+DECKER digital microwave oven with turntable push-button door, child safety lock, stainless steel, 0.9 Cu.ft. Pre-programmed buttons for popcorn, potato, pizza, frozen vegetable, beverage and dinner plate. 900 watts with 10 power settings, clock and kitchen timer, 30 seconds express cooking. Large LED digital display, easy to read control panel, child safety lock, interior light, removable 10.6 glass turntable. Push button door release for easy access. Dimensions, WXDXH, 19.1 x 14.8 x 11.5, internal dimensions, 12.36 x 13.66 x 8.70, WXDXH. UL approved. 1-year limited warranty. Top 1. Toshiba M131A5 CBS microwave oven with smart sensor, easy clean interior, ECO mode and sound on-off, 1.2 Cu.ft, black stainless steel, Q.ft. Pre-programmed sensor menu for optimum heating of popular foods like pizza, potatoes, veggies and more. Rated voltage, 120V, 60 Hz. Black stainless steel exterior, 20.5 x 17.1 x 12.8 inch, WXDXH, large 1. 2 cubic feet capacity, cavity 13.07 x 15 x 9.5 inch, WXDXH, turntable 12.4 inch, diameter. 1100 watts with 10 power settings, clock, and kitchen timer. Large digital display, easy to read control panel, glass turntable. 1100 watts with 10 power settings, clock, and kitchen timer. 1 touch start popcorn and 2 defrost settings, custom or 1 pound auto defrost. Turntable diameter, 12.4 inches, large digital display, easy to read control panel, power saving mode, sound on off option, glass turntable. Rated input power, microwave, 1550 watt.
All of the items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all of the links in the description. You can check out the link for the latest price. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.